Now that we know what the broad model integrates, how does the broad model integrate these insights? As you know, the IRP is a process. We proceed from step to step, sometimes going back to previous steps and revisiting our decisions. Recall that this process is a gradual change and occurs within and across the steps of the IRP. There are 3 components of the broad model that will help us integrate insights. First, in step 7, we identify conflicts between insights and locate the sources of conflict. Second, in step 8, we create common ground between these conflicts, trying to identify ways in which they may all have a piece of the larger pie. And third, in step 9, we create our own insight, a new and more comprehensive depiction of the problem as we defined it. Again, we will learn more about each of these components in the subsequent chapters and lectures. This week is simply an overview of what is coming next.